Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw my little sausage dog, Annie. I've got a picture of her to show you. So here we go. There's my girl. She's quite cute, isn't she? She's a bit cheeky though. So that's Annie, and we're going to draw, so as I said, she's a bit cheeky, so we're going to draw this pose that she does. And she does this when she's done something that she shouldn't do, and she knows she shouldn't do. And when she gets caught, that's the pose we get off her. The cats defiantly look straight you in the eye. They're not bothered when they've got caught doing something wrong. So, right, I'm going to start with her nose. We'll do that. This is a simple shape. It's a harder than some of my other draw-alongs, this one. I'm sure you can do it. We'll just do it nice and slow. So I'll just colour this in. Sorry, I've just got to colour this little bit in. There we go. That's her nose coloured in. So then I want to do a line from here. Oh, I'm just going to show you something I've just noticed. If you put something underneath your hand there, makes it move easier, so you're not drawing it along. Okay, so I'm going to get a line from around here and draw it all the way to meet to there. Okay, right, just keep looking at my picture that I've already drawn. I had to do quite a few practices for that. Then we're going to put a little like a smile or rainbow shape there. That's going to be her eye. Okay, I'm a bit out of breath. I've been chasing her and the kitten while the kitten was running up and down the stairs, and Annie has only got little legs, so she's not allowed to go up. I don't want her to slip down the stairs, so she was trying to get up the stairs. The kitten was trying to get up the stairs. At the top of the stairs was my other cat, who was trying to smack the kitten. So what I would advise you to do here, so we've done that little space there, I'm going to turn my paper around, and then I can draw. It's really hard for me to draw going around there and bending my hand. So I'm going to turn it around, and then I'm going to draw the top of her head, and we're going to draw it around here because I need to put her ears in. So she's got a bit of a dome on her head like that, so I'm going to come all the way down to around there. So that's the start of her. Next, I think I might draw her mouth next. So I'm going to come round to around there. Actually, I think I might, no, I'll do it that way backwards. So all the way round to there. Okay, and then she's got a little lip underneath here. Let's have a look at the one I've just drawn. So it starts around there. My hands are a bit shaky today. There we go. And I'm going to do some, she's a long-haired Dachshund or a long-haired sausage dog. So I'm going to draw some long fur. Now it's quite easy. You just go round, out, in, out, in, out. There we go. So next, where shall I draw next? We've got to add her ear on. I'm going to leave the eye till the end. Get her ear in place. Then I can level up whereabouts the eye is going to go. Now she's got bedhead ears on this. She's cute when she wakes up. Her fur is always, on her ears is always netty. So I'm going to try and do her fur on her ears a little bit messy. So I'm going to go like that. And then I'm going to come in, and then I'm going to do some more like that to make it easy. I'll do it like this. Okay, and then the next one can come out. And then in. You could do yours however you want. I'm just trying to make mine look a little bit messy, but going in that direction, because that's the direction her ears would swoop. And I'm going to go a little bit messier up here because that's where she's been lying. Okay, I'm going to go start at this bit next. This bit's the extra messy bit, so I'm going to do like that. You do them however you want, don't have to do them exactly the same as mine. For this bit, I'm going to come down like that, just to make the ear look a little bit more like the fur's falling. There we go, that's a messy fur on her ear. Now the eye bit, I struggled with this a little bit when I was drawing it. Her eye, no, this is what they call side eye. So I'm going to try and draw This the side eyes dilute when they've done something and they know they've done something wrong and they've been caught. So it's a cheeky look. So it's like a letter C, but I want to stop there because I want to come down here and finish around there. That just gives it a bit of character, as you can see. There we go. Now then, on this bit, she's actually got brown eyes, but I'm going to do my cartoon and just use the black. So what I want to do now is draw a circle around there. Okay, and then the other side, it needs to be quite level. So I'd say maybe there, like that. And then we're going to draw another circle here around the outside of that. Now why have I left that like that? Because I want the eye to have a bit of a shine on it. So it looks like a bit of a moon there, doesn't it? So now we need to colour this in and leave that white. And then she's got shiny eyes. Just some cartoon characters it really looks good on. Depends what you're drawing. I think it usually makes them look cute when they have a bit of shiny on their eyes. So here we go. There we go. And then I need to colour this side in. I've done a little bit wrong there. So, and I do it every time. If you watch my other videos, if I do that now, I'm going to smudge that eye. So always draw from, what is it? This is Lyme dyslexia. So left to right. I have to do that because it makes an letter L. So always draw from left to right if you're using a pen. Don't matter with a pencil that much. Smudges a bit, but can rub it out. So there we go. I think, is she done? There's my cheeky girl. Oh no, she's not. I've missed something off. Have a look on here. What have I missed? There we go. I thought it didn't look right. Cheeky eyebrows. So I'm going to do some cheeky eyebrows. You could do a lot with eyebrows, you know. Put them. Try doing eyebrows in different positions and see what you get. I have done a video on drawing emotions, which you'll find in my video collection or playlist. So there she is. That's my cheeky little girl, Annie. She's a lovely girl. She's proper lovely. We got her a kitten because our cat. I thought she would be nice, but she was a bit grumpy when we first got her. She loves her now. So we got a kitten because she doesn't like being on her own. We've never, ever, ever been able... Oh, I've missed a bit here, haven't I? We need to have a little neck coming down here a little bit. There we go. So yeah, she doesn't like being left on her own, so we got her a kitten, and she's called Raven. Oh, yeah, she's a little terror, but she's cuddly too. So I've got one called Dottie. She's a little rescue. Raven's a rescue, and then we've got Annie. So there's Annie, and one of them's knocking at the door now. Can't do nothing. Working from home. Anyway, I would love to see your pictures. You can see my contacts below. And thank you for watching. If you like pirates, you might actually like my pirate stories. You've got little cat in them as well. There he is. You can't see it there very well. Need some sunlight. It's a bit miserable here in the UK today. There's this cat. So I'll put links below for my children's books. So I'm an illustrator and I write children's books as well. So you might want to have a little look at those. So thank you for watching. Please send your pictures and I will feature them in some of my videos and put them on my Facebook page. You'll find all details below. Thank you. Hope to see you next time.